All right guys, welcome back. Quick update on the Siclone project. Remember I told you guys this was going to be an interesting build because I'm using SQ build techniques and SPL build techniques. And I'm using SQ build techniques right now as far as sound treatment, but I'm also doing SPL build stuff as far as adding structural rigidity and reinforcement. So right now I want to show you guys, I've been applying Second Skin's Damplifier Pro, and I want to show you the difference that and the mineral wool. If you guys have seen my sound deadening videos, I told you that if I cannot treat an area because there's a void there and I physically can't get to it, if I can't treat that area with Damplifier Pro, what I'm going to do is pack that void and that empty cavity with mineral wool. So this video is just a quick thing to show you how mineral wool compares to Damplifier Pro on a panel that you can access, and how treated panels with Damplifier Pro and with mineral wool sound compared to untreated panels. I've been working in this area treating the exterior wall of the vehicle with Second Skin, and all of these cavities, just like in the previous sound deadening videos, I told you if I cannot get Second Skin on the exterior surface here, I'm going to pack the voids with mineral wool. So I want to show you guys the difference between Second Skin in the panel there, and then in this area here where I've treated it with mineral wool. And then we're going to go to the opposite side. I'm going to let you guys hear that. So here's Second Skin. This area is treated with mineral wool. Now we go to the opposite side, and I'm going to hit this panel here where there is no Second Skin, and then up here where there's no mineral wool. So you guys can tell there's a huge difference. And I started at the top of the windshield here, and I applied some in the windshield, and then in this area here. I'm currently 3 bats in. This is the 4th one. I've also lined in here with it. So this is just all of the exterior treatment before the actual build starts. With this vehicle, I'm going to do something I didn't get to do with the Audi, and that is take measurements of the interior throughout the treatment process. I'm going to first get the rest of the interior stripped, remove the door panels, the interior door cards, remove that stuff, drive down the road, get a measurement of interior noise levels at that point. And then as I go through each step of the process, I want to take more measurements and let you guys see the improvement as things get treated and as it progresses. I've actually stopped treating because, as you guys just saw, I treated this area here, got a little ahead of myself. And I also went ahead and applied Second Skin to this section up here and installed the first 3/4 inch layer of birch ply. So I did get a little ahead of myself there, but I'm going to go ahead, strip the rest of it out, and we'll drive down the road, take a measurement, and then from that point forward, that will be our baseline for the rest of the measurements. So quick update video, and I'll see you guys next time.